Guys, welcome to Six Method channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make money by creating NFT. NFT, let me summarize what is NFT with just simple sentence. NFT is just like those days people go to museum to buy pictures and hang on their wall. But these days, NFT you buy online. It is called digital asset. It's an online photos, video, emoji. You can mint anything there. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to mint your own NFT. Maybe you may be wondering, how can I mint NFT? You can convert your old pictures. Those your childhood pictures, you can convert it to good NFT and make money out of it. So first thing you should do now, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell, and you can also share this video to others to spread the knowledge about NFT. So let's start. So first of all, go to your file. First of all, go to your go to your photos, select a good photo there. Let's say let me go to my photos. Let me use this photo as an example. I will mend this photo here right before you, and you see how can I use it to make money. Okay, let us mend this photo. Like you all know, this is a graduation photo. Like you all know, this is a graduation photo. So let me mend it to NFT. First, go to your Chrome browser. Visit this site called convertimage-to-video.com. This is the site, convertimage-to-video.com. Then click on NFT 3D art maker. Click on it. This is the first step. Let me upload my image. Let me upload the image. The image is processing. Continue with the background. So here you kind of select the kind of design you want to give your own NFT. You know, NFT is something that will attract people. NFT is all about emotional pictures that can attract people, that can make people to give you their money. Unlike those days, we all visit museum, we see attractive pictures, we buy them, hang it on our walls. So here, let me choose this. Since the graduation photo, let me choose this one. Let me choose it. I've choose it. Click to create your art. Is loading. Is loading. 6%. So while this is doing, remember to share this video, invite your friends, click the notification bell, because I will drop more content about NFT. How you can make a lot of money with NFT. You know, this NFT, people are making millions of naira with NFT, and it's free. Most amazing thing about NFT is free. You can mint it on credit. I call it on credit. Just mint it. When someone buy the NFT, they'll give you your own commission and take their own commission. So right now our photo is almost done. Like you see, this is my own NFT is ready. So what you have to do now is just download. See, can you take a look of my NFT? Can you take a look of it? Just download JPEG. It's downloading. It's downloading. It's done. See my NFT. You can also download the video version of GIF. You can also download the GIF version. It's downloading. This one will take a little of MB. It's downloading. It's downloading. Remember to share this video, click the notification bell, share with your friends. Let me open it so you can see what I did. Okay, open. See my NFT. See how beautiful it looks, how emotional it looks. So next thing you can do is head to this site called Opensea.io. That's where to create your own NFT. All you have to do is sign up there, sign up your password, then you connect your wallet. You connect your wallet. You can connect any wallet here. See I connected my Coinbase. See my Coinbase. I connected my Coinbase wallet extension. Just download the Coinbase wallet extension, connect it, or your MetaMask. See my MetaMask, but I decided to connect my Coinbase. So see what you have to do now. Click on the OpenSea, create. Okay, sign in. Okay, they required my password. So let me put my password. Unlock. Signed. Then let me pick my NFT. Then go to your download. Go to your download. Let me use the video version. Then name it. Then here is very important. Name it with a trending keyword. Like this one is now champion. Let me name it with I'm a champion. I'm a champion. Then describe the NFT. My final year my final year examination photo. Somewhere in Aba, Nigeria. You have to be more emotional. Hope you love it. Finish. Then next thing to do, collection. Okay. Next thing to do, total supply. Put it 1. Then the network we are going to use to mint this NFT. We use Ethereum here. We use Ethereum network. So create. Almost done. Then I'm not a robot. Traffic, right? They are trying to check if you are a bot. You created I'm a champion. See, my NFT is ready. Then copy the link. Okay? Say wow. You just created I'm a champion. Then off it. Then go back. Go back and click on it. Put the price. Then you just created your own NFT. See the previous NFT I created, the happy boy, but I've not started marketing it. So guys, stay along. On our next video, I'm going to share with you guys how to market your own NFT and make a lot of money. I just created this one, so I have not started marketing, but on our next class, I'm going to share with you guys how to make money with this NFT. Thanks for staying with us. So remember to put your notification bell, share this photo, and I promise next video is going to be more educative and more practical, which is I'll teach you guys how to monetize this NFT. It's just simple. I'm going to teach you guys how to monetize this NFT. Thanks for staying with us. Thank you guys.